In this video we are going to discuss Codechef starters 136 sum of modes problem. Okay, so basically in this problem statement what we have to do is just to print the sum of the substrings. Okay, so basically what we have been given a binary string. What we have been given is a binary string. Basically we have been given a binary string s and its length n. So now let's discuss some with some example. For example, if we have been given a string of length 2, okay, like for example 10, so what will be the substrings? Okay, so basically the substring will be 1 0, okay, and then there comes a twist, then 1 0. So total we have three substrings. Okay, so the three substrings basically are just what 1 0 and 1 0. Okay, let's discuss another example of length 4 0 0 1 1. Okay, so basically first will be 0, then again 0, then 1, and then again 1. We have got 4 single ones. Okay, so now we have to go for double ones. 0 0 1 1. So basically our double ones will be 0 0, 0 0, then 0 1, and at last 1 1. Okay, we have got three substrings here. So now we will go for not three substring one. What is here? 0 0 1 1. So now basically our next one will be 0 0 1, then basically 0 1 1. Wait a minute, 0 1 1. Okay, so these are our two substrings with three length 3. Okay, and then last as length 4. So basically last will be of length 4 will be 0 0 1 1 only. So now let's see how many characters we got. First 4, then 3, then 2, and then 1. Total will be 7. Total we have got 10 substrings. Okay, from this we got a formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, where n is the length of the substring, means length of the main binary string. So basically if we have been given string 4, so 4 into 5 by 2 is 10. So this 10, and we have got the total number of substrings here. Let's discuss one example. So let it be a string of length 5, 1 0 1 0 1. So first of all we will take 1 0 1 0 and again 1. Okay, and again 1. So total single characters we have got here is 5. Now basically what we have to do is go for double characters. Okay, double substrings. So now 1 0 0 1. Okay, 0 1, and then next will be 1 0 1 0, and then at last will be again 0 1. So basically of length 2 we have got 4, and then next what we go for 3 ones, means 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, 1 0 1, and then 0 1 0, and then at last 1 0 1. Okay, so we have got here 3, and then we will go for 4 substrings, 1 0 1 0 1, 1 0 1 0, then 0 1 0 1. Okay, so next now at last we will go for 5 substrings, 1 0 1 0 1. It will be 1 only, 1 0 1 0 1. So now let's calculate the total sum. Basically now we are able to see that here we have got 5, then 4 9, and 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14, and then 14, 14 plus 1 equals to 15. Okay, so total substrings how many we have got? 15 substrings. Let's once again revise them. 1 0, so let's revise once again the total 15. 1 0 1 0 1, and then what? 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1, and then 1 0 1 0 1 0, and then 1 0 1. Is that clear? And then 4 length. Okay, length 4, length 4 ones. Okay, 1 0 1 0, then 0 1 0 1, and then at last 1 0 1 0 1. So total what we have got? 15 something, 1 2 3 4 5, and so total of all gives a sum of 15. Okay, so basically now calculate it with the formula. Its length is 5. Okay, so let's put in n into n plus 1 formula. Okay, so basically our 5 into 6 by 2 is basically 15. So basically we have got the total substrings 15 only. So now there is a, so now basically what is the problem statement states that, okay, what does the problem statement specifies us? So we have to just find the modes. Okay, so basically what is a mode? A mode is just a total count of zeros and ones. Okay, it just compares the total number of zeros and ones. So let's take an example of 0 0 1 1. So it is 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 and then 1 1 and then again 0 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, and at last 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, so basically what we have to do is, if we found 0, the mode will be, our mode will be 0. Okay, so we have to just print only 1. Okay, here basically our mode is 1, so we have to print also 1 only. Same for here, 1 1, but here our mode is again 0, so we have to print 1, but here it's 0 and 1, both modes are there, so print 2. Okay, then again 1. Here we have 0 0 1. 0 modes are 2, 1 modes are 1, so basically there is 0 mode. Okay, so for 0 mode only one answer. Then again 0, it's just 1 and it's 2, so basically it will be 1, but here see 0 0 1 1, it's 2 and it's also both are 2, both are equal, so we have to print 2. Eventually if we just get, for example, 0 0 1 1 or 1 0 0 1 or 1 0, okay, so we have to just, in this case number of ones and number of zeros are equal. Okay, so we have to print 2, and in cases like 1 triple 0 0 0 1 double 1 0, in these cases the number of ones is not equals to number of 0. Okay, so we have to just, what we have to do is just print 1. Okay, so now let's discuss the problem statement. And here what we have to do is just, means let's discuss the approach. Okay, so basically what we have to do is just first take answer. We have to take answer equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. ओके, हमें n इंटू एन प्लस वन बाई टू लेना है, और फिर प्रायर सम नाम का एक वेरिएबल लेना है जिसे हमें मीन्स वी हैव टू जस्ट इनिशियलाइज इट फ्रॉम ज़ीरो and we have to give it range n plus 1. Okay, so the so when the prior sum means the index of prior sum is equals to 0, we have to increment it. So basically now let's run to the code. Hmm. So basically what's given here, we have to take n as input. Okay, for example if we take 0 1 as in, n is basically 2 and basically our input is 0 1. So what is our n into n plus 1 is 2 into 3 by 2, which is just equals to 3. So basically our number of substrings is 3. What is the number of substrings here? Basically our number of substrings are 0 1 and 10, or 0 1 we can say. So this is our three substrings, so we have to just initialize prior one to 0. Initialize prior sum to 0 if the index value is 0. If the index value is 0, then it will increment, else not. Okay, so we have just initialize value to 0, and basically here initialize prior prior sum to range n plus 1. We have given prior sum the range n plus 1. Okay, so we have run a for loop in range n. Is that clear? We have just run a for loop in range n. Now here we will check if string of I is equals to means अगर कोई कैरेक्टर 1 की इक्वल है तो वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट करेगा या फिर डिक्रीमेंट करेगा. ओके, so let's check. First at 0, at I equals to 0. Okay, our s of 0 is equals to what? 0. Okay, so it will go here. Value is, what will be our value? Our value will be just equals to -1. Okay, then it will go to prior sum. Answer will increment when only our prior sum value is equals to 0. Okay, means what I mean to say is just answer equals to answer plus prior sum of -1. Okay, so basically here our answer value, what will be our answer value? If means I mean to say our answer is here given our answer is here. What is our answer given? 3. Okay, if you are able to see here, our answer is 3. So basically our answer equals to 3 plus 0. Okay, as you can see here, if prior sum index is 0, okay, if prior sum value is 0, then our answer will be incrementing. But here we can say that prior sum index is -1. Okay, so it is not 0, so it will not increment, it will be only 0 only. Is that clear? So now let's go to I equals to 1. Now going to I equals to 1. Okay, so our s of 1 will be equals to what? 1. Okay, so basically our value will increment. Val equals to -1 plus 1. Okay, so which will be equals to 0. Is that clear? So basically now our answer equals to, answer means 3 plus 3 plus prior sum which is 0, 3 plus prior sum of 0. Okay, so basically now here our prior sum will increment. So basically our answer will be 4. Okay, as we can able to see that our value basically is equals to 0. Okay, we can see here our value is basically equals to 0. So here our prior sum increments to 1. So our answer will be 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Okay, so now we will print the answer. So basically it's giving correct output. Yeah, it's giving correct answer. So please try for another examples also. Okay, let's take one example of last one. Okay, it will be more easier for you. Okay, means for example we are taking, for example if we take 10101. Okay, just an example, we are taking 10101 as our example. Okay, so basically what is our answer equals to 5 into 6. Okay, 5 into 6 by 2, which is just equals to 15. Is that clear? So now what we are going to see now here is just for first character. Okay, for first integer 0. Okay, for first integer 0, So basically now first integer 0 will be as 0 not equals to 1. Okay, so basically our answer equals to 15 plus 0. Okay, which is equals to 15. So now we are going to second integer, which is equals to so now we are going to second integer, which is equals to 1. Is that clear? The second integer will be 1. So basically 1 equals to 1 val plus plus, okay, val minus minus. So basically our val will increment here. So now our 15 will be, I've just done a mistake here, 15 plus 1 equals to 16. Okay, yeah, now it's correct. Our answer will be now, what our answer will be equals to 16 plus 0 equals to 16. Is that clear? For third integer, 1. Basically for our third integer 1, as 1 is equals to 1, so basically as our 1 is equals to 1, okay, so our answer will be just equals to what, 16 plus 1, okay, which is equals to 17. So now it's time for fourth integer. Fourth integer will be equals to what, 0, as 0 not equals to 1. Okay, so what will be our answer just here? Answer equals to what, 17 plus 2, which is equals to 19. Is that clear? So it's time for fifth integer. Fifth integer is 1. Okay, so basically our 1 is equals to 1 here. Is that clear? So our answer will be equals to 19 plus 2, which is equals to 21. Is that clear? So our final answer is 21. Okay, so this is our example, uh, and this is our code. Okay, you can read it, and if you do not understand, please ask me in comment section. Thank you.